Hey guys, it's Bernie. This will be a regular feature on the channel covering what's new and happening in Manchester. There's lots to talk about in November and December, so let's get to it. The Manchester bar and restaurant scene is absolutely flying this year. Last month's biggest opening was Sexy Fish over in Spinningfields. Check out my video on this if you haven't already. And November's biggest opening is set to be Fenix, which is on Goodyard Street. Fenix is a Greek restaurant inspired by beautiful Mykonos, and it's from the guys behind Tattoo. The photos I've seen look stunning, and the menu sounds amazing too. Think hummus and fresh pitta, all the way to grilled octopus and Wagyu beef dumplings. Tattoo have recently opened a site in London and expanding all the way to Dubai as well. So these guys clearly have a formula that works. Next up is Rola Wala. This is an Indian street food restaurant known for its legendary naan rolls and rice bowls, and it's just opened on Deansgate. The name translates from Hindi to a man that rolls, and started as a street food stall in London before opening their first restaurant in Leeds. They do a buy one get one initiative where they donate one meal to a hungry child in the developing world for every naan sold, which I think is absolutely amazing, and it's got the celebrity backing it too. Rita Ora and Saturday Kitchen called Rola Wala London's best wrap, and it also appeared on Jamie Oliver's Friday Night Feast in the movie Burnt, starring one of my favourite actors, Bradley Cooper. Now this one is really going to get people talking. Fried Chicken brand Sides will be opening its first standalone restaurant outside of London, and they've chosen Manchester as the city to do it in. You may know that the people behind this are the Sidemen, headed by none other than KSI. And this will be located in the Arndale shopping centre with a menu consisting of fried chicken, burgers, wings and plant-based alternatives. Moving on to bars, and first up is Dear Sailor, across the street from Sexy Fish in the former Wolf unit in Spinningfields, and I cannot wait for this one. This is the latest one to join the drink and den craze, but with a twist, and it's inspired by the jazz bars of the 1930s Tokyo. I love Tokyo and I love that era, so it's right up my street. Think of glamour, art deco with cocktails to die for. It looks and sounds unbelievable, and I will most definitely be trying this one out. There's lots going on over in Media City this year, and 11 Central is going to give you another reason to head across to the Quays this winter. This is a new venue in Manchester's brewing favourite Seven Brothers. It's named 11 Central after the team's extended family, which includes the Seven Brothers and 4 sisters, and the venue opens as part of the bigger Central Bay project. Expect to see an impressive 2,000 square foot terrace with water-sized views, with the brothers' famous beers brewed on site. The Sisters Gin brand 4 Sisters Gin will also be served, with distilling sessions available for you gin lovers out there. Food, live music and good times will commence from the 17th of November. Stray pictures itself as the least pretentious cocktail bar in Manchester, which suits me just fine. It opened on the corner of the Grade 2 listed Mackie Taylor food court in the Northern Quarter, and could possibly be one of the best people watching spots in the city. The Led Astray signature menu will feature cocktails that focus on preparation and ingredients, along with an interesting looking non-alcoholic menu, serving margaritas and mocktails with a twist. Stray opened at the start of the month, and I'm keen to try it out the next time I'm out in the Northern Quarter. Campus is becoming a real favourite of mine over at the Gay Village, and it feels like so much is happening all year round. The development has so much to offer already, and it's already known for one of the Manchester's coolest places to live and hang out. Bar Hutte levels this up even further on its return to Manchester. Think rustic charm with an alpine atmosphere, Christmas lights, mulled wine and winter cocktails. My idea of heaven. They've partnered with Nell's Pizzas and the Great North Pie Company for the food and Christmas karaoke in your own private hut. Oh yeah, it sounds like so much fun, and I will most definitely be trying this one out. There's actually 2 bar Huttes appearing in Manchester, with the other one at Great Northern Tower, and I think they'll be well worth a visit. Freight Island over at Piccadilly is being transformed into a winter island. There'll be a grotto set up, a Father Christmas experience, festive street food, pop-up places from voodoo rays and burgerism, and even a smoking cold German barbecue. Freight Island is a really cool place to go in the summer, and it looks like it'll be a hit this Christmas. And that brings me on to the Xmas Markets, which celebrate their 25th anniversary this year. They're set up right across the city with 225 stalls spread across 9 sites. They're open now until the 21st of December, with the Cathedral Gardens Markets open until New Year's Eve. Oh, and the ice rink, it's back at Cathedral Gardens as well this year. I am so excited. If theatre is your thing, then Hamilton is kicking off its first ever UK tour for a 15-week run at the Palace Theatre. I Should Be So Lucky at Manchester Opera House sounds like fun, with music from pop royalty like Kylie, Jason Donovan and Rick Astley. Oh, and Edward Scissorhands at the Lowry is a show I'm definitely going to see. And for something a little different, you may have seen that the Candlelight Concerts are playing all over the UK and Ireland, but there are some standouts in Manchester this November, with an Ed Sheeran tribute on the 24th and a saxophone tribute to Queen on the 25th. I need to try one of these, and if you have already, let me know what they're like in the comments. There's so much to talk about what's going on in this amazing city, and I've not even mentioned the football. If you found this useful, like and subscribe, and I'll post my next Manchester update in the new year.